Welcome back into this beautiful space. Letting go, becoming present, and just shifting that energy where it's more nourishing for you in this moment. Just allow yourself just again, let go. Just being here. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. And today, just a discussion around happiness in nature and just what opportunities might be available to us every day of our life to just connect to nature at a much deeper level. Just as we go through our day, just allowing ourselves to experience the beautiful things that are around us. So much to learn from nature. What might be possible if you spend more time taking a walk, experiencing things at a deeper level, and connecting to nature? Maybe it's that butterfly that just goes from flower to flower. Maybe it's that bee that's just out pollinating that beautiful tree. Maybe it's that bird putting together a beautiful nest. What might be possible for you by creating space in your day, in your life, for just connecting to nature? So much opportunity to learn from nature, to value nature, and to understand just the simple flow that happens. How might our lives be different if we allowed for flow to be much more accessible for us? Not feeling like we need to react, not feeling like we need to do. Can we just be? Can we just look at a magnificent tree and just appreciate the glory, appreciate the beauty, and just appreciate the fact that the tree is just expressing itself in a way that we all can appreciate? Again, nothing right, nothing wrong, just being open to this awareness and connection to nature. Just being curious and open for opportunities to express and experience happiness at the deepest level possible, knowing that you're deserving of happiness, knowing the world wants to experience your happiness, and knowing it's your choice in every moment as it unfolds. What choice will you make to connect to nature at a much deeper level?